In today's video, I'll show you how to create a mandala grid using only a compass. No protractor or circular protractor needed. This method is simple, effective, and perfect for anyone who wants to make a precise mandala grid with minimal tools. First, take your compass and draw a large circle. This will be the outer boundary of your mandala. You can adjust the size depending on how big you want your design to be. Now, without changing the compass width, place the needle anywhere on the circle and make a small mark where the compass pencil touches the edge. Move the needle to this new mark and repeat the process, continuing around the circle until you return to the starting point. This technique automatically divides the circle into 6 equal parts. Using a ruler, connect the division points to form radial guidelines. These lines will help maintain symmetry in your mandala. This 6 radial-lined mandala grid is simple but powerful to create a lot of geometric mandala designs. We will see them one by one in our future videos. If you enjoyed this session, like, share, comment and support me for more videos. See you in the next video.